Welcome to El Nido. Today, we're doing the most recommended island hopping tour, ang Tour A. But it's not just about the beach. May mga kwento rin ang bawat isla na dapat niyong malaman. Kaya, let's do it!
And we hope to be of service again in one of your future flights. Maraming salamat po.
From Manila, we flew to Puerto Princesa, then a 5 to 6 hour van ride to El Nido. Dati 700 lang ang pamasahe. Now it's 900 due to the oil crisis. Bring snacks, relax, and enjoy the view lang sa biyahe. We stayed at Virginia Suites. Affordable, good Wi-Fi, and Tita Virginia is so accommodating. It's the perfect base camp for all your island tours. Day 1 was our chill day, just wandering around the town and enjoying the local vibe. It helps to settle in before the big adventure the next day. Day 2, Tour A Day. Budget 1,200 for the tour, 200 lagoon fee, and 400 yung ETDF. Yun yung Ecotourism Development Fee. So pro tip, keep your ETDF receipt. It's valid for 10 days so you can use it for your other tours. Sunundo na tayo. Punta na tayo sa ating Tour A for today.
Again, everyone, please, all of you, ma'am, we have your attention, please, for this 10 to 15 minutes again, ma'am, sir. So, again, before I start, ma'am, sir, to my proper briefing, ma'am, sir, I would like to ask again to all of my guests, have I energy today?
First stop, 7 Commando Beach. Quick trivia lang, legend has it the beach was named after 7 Japanese commandos who sought refuge here during World War II. Now, it's a paradise. Raiden even joined a volleyball game dito. Ganyan talaga dito, open for everyone to meet new friends. Next naman is Shimizu Island for lunch. But behind the beauty is a somber history. It was named after a Japanese diver who years ago died while exploring one of the island's underwater caves. We enjoyed the fresh food here today, pero it's a good reminder to always prioritize safety when diving or swimming.
Ayun guys, so magbubuko muna tayo bago tayo mag-vlog.
Ice cream, sweet taste, cold drinks, no haste, laughter, fun chase, every day just ace. Now falls, yeah, stars spark, beach calls, I'm fine, we all, let's dance, stand tall.
After lunch, we snorkeled. Ang ganda dito kasi may natural shade from the limestone cliffs. Nakakatulong para hindi masyadong mainit habang nag-e-explore. Secret Lagoon. The thrill isn't just the lagoon inside, it's the secret entrance. You have to fit through this small hole to get in. It's a tight squeeze, but once you're inside, the rock formations are breathtaking. Definitely a core memory. Ito nga pala yung video na kinuha sa amin ni Kuya. The grand finale, Big Lagoon. This is iconic, surrounded by million-year-old limestone cliffs. Kayaking is a must dito 300 pesos for 2 persons, 500 naman for 3 persons. Real talk, nakakapagod at ang sakit sa likod. Between my back injury and the heat, Raiden did most of the work naman dito. But the views, worth every paddle ito. Tour A lived up to the hype. Highly recommended to for first-timers like me. We're doing Tour C naman next so we can compare din.
Ocean waves, cool splash.
And before I go, I know a lot of you ask, Jules, paano mo napapagkasya ang budget sa ganyang kagandang trip? Well, here's the secret. I've partnered up with some travel platforms to help you save on your next adventure. So if you're planning your own El Nido getaway, you can use my codes. For your stays and activities, you can use Agoda Scout for Agoda Hotels and Scout Agoda for Agoda Activities. Well, if you're looking for more options, you can also use my code Club Scout on Klook for your bookings. And for your flights, don't forget Let's Do It Jules on Fly Fairly to get that extra discount. All the links are in the description box below. So using these codes really helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you more DIY travel guides like this. Thanks for watching and I hope this inspires you to book that flight. Until next time, let's do it with me. Let's do it with Jules.
On fire, we all. Let's dance.